Hello friends, hope you are doing well. As you know, I always bring trending content for you. So today we will explore Tesla Cybertruck. But before moving forward in the video, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, don't forget to subscribe so that you keep getting new trending videos to watch. Now, let's move on to the video. Tesla Cybertruck striking design, electric performance. The Tesla Cybertruck isn't your ordinary pickup truck. Unveiled in 2019, this electric vehicle, EV, has heads turning with its sharp-edged stainless steel design that's both futuristic and brutalist. But it's not just about looks. The Cybertruck boasts impressive performance and utility. Built for toughness, Tesla claims the Cybertruck's cold-rolled stainless steel exoskeleton is not only dent-resistant but also bulletproof. This makes it ideal for those who need a truck that can withstand the elements and some rough and tumble. The armored design extends to the self-healing tires, which are designed to seal punctures. Power and performance. Don't be fooled by the rugged exterior. The Cybertruck is a powerhouse. With two all-wheel drive options, tri-motor and dual motor, and a future single-motor rear-wheel drive version on the horizon, there's a Cybertruck to fit your needs. The top-of-the-line tri-motor Cyberbeast boasts a mind-blowing 834 horsepower and can rocket from 0 to 60 mph in a mere 2.9 seconds. That's faster than some sports cars. When it comes to hauling, the Cybertruck can hold its own. It boasts a towing capacity of up to 11,000 pounds, making it a great choice for work or recreation. Plus, with an estimated driving range of up to 340 miles on a single charge, you can venture farther on a single charge than with most gas-powered trucks. Interior design. The Cybertruck's interior is minimalist and spacious, with seating for 5 adults. The focus is on functionality, with a large center touchscreen handling most controls. A unique feature is the jump seat that folds down from the rear wall, creating extra seating or additional cargo space. Technology. As with all Tesla vehicles, the Cybertruck is packed with cutting-edge technology. From its intuitive touchscreen interface to its advanced autopilot features, every aspect of the driving experience is seamlessly integrated for maximum convenience and safety. The Cybertruck also boasts impressive off-road capabilities thanks to its adjustable air suspension and all-wheel drive system, making it equally at home on the trail as it is on the highway. Environmental impact. In addition to its performance and innovation, the Cybertruck represents Tesla's commitment to sustainability. By harnessing the power of electricity instead of fossil fuels, it produces zero emissions, helping to reduce our carbon footprint and combat climate change. With its long-range battery options and energy-efficient design, the Cybertruck is not only good for the planet, but also offers significant cost savings over the lifetime of ownership. Conclusion. In a world where conformity often reigns supreme, the Tesla Cybertruck dares to be different. With its radical design, groundbreaking performance, and eco-friendly credentials, it's a symbol of progress and possibility. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or simply someone who appreciates innovation, the Cybertruck invites you to embrace the future of transportation. So buckle up and get ready to experience the thrill of driving like never before. The future is here, and it's electric. Hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome trucks and cars content. We will back with other video, and thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.